Hey guys, it's Kai. Welcome back to my channel, Kai Styles. Today we are going to be testing out the Eylure London Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. I have only recently started wearing lashes, being somebody that struggles with applying false lashes on themselves. I've seen this system or similar systems to this where it is the magnetic eyeliner. Just put on this eyeliner like you normally would, and then the lashes will magnetize to the eyeliner. So I thought maybe this might be an easier way for me to apply lashes. It says they're safe for daily wear. The removal is easy and gentle. Revolutionary patent-pending pro-magnetic lash eyeliner technology enables your magnetic lashes to adhere to the eyeliner. Shake magnetic lash eyeliner before use. Apply 3 layers of magnetic lash eyeliner to lash line, waiting for each layer to dry in between applications. See image below for ideal line thickness and recommended eyeliner looks. You can use it as just like basic thin liner, you can do more of a cat eye or a winged out look with it. For all looks, please ensure that the liner follows the upper eye line so the lash can hug the curve of your eye. So here we go. We're gonna apply this liner. And this liner is an actual brush, you guys. So we'll see how this goes. Overall, this applies fairly easily. Okay, so it says that we should let it dry in between coats. So I'm just gonna go back and forth between my 2 eyes and build up the 3 coats. Alright, I'm gonna come back and do this second coat on this eye. Build that up a little bit. Can't tell if it's that the product is dry, like drying down and getting tacky, or if the brush is now magnetizing because I have a layer of that on there already, but it feels like it's sticking now that I have some on there. I'm not a big fan of working with brush style liners. I feel like they give too much bend, or they can be a little too flexible. I feel like this liner dries down pretty quickly. Should be the last coat of the liner. I do think at this point, like, I feel like I can feel the eyeliner on my eyelids. If you're somebody that is very sensitive to heavy products on your eye, this is probably not for you, because I can definitely feel the product on my eye. I'm just gonna come in and clean up that eyeliner a little bit on the corners before we put our lashes on. This does remove very easily. One swipe of a makeup wipe takes it off. So here comes the moment of truth. I'm gonna try to show you guys this. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this eyelash has tiny little magnets on the back of it. Just make sure these are dry. Yeah, it feels dry. Like I said, that stuff dries down really quickly. So now supposedly this is just gonna stick to my eyelid. Okay, I would recommend, even though it says that you can do dramatic eyeliner with this, I would recommend not using the magnetic eyeliner to do your winged liner, especially if you're doing a thicker liner. The problem that I ran into when trying to apply the lash is that rather than staying on my lash line, it wanted to flip up because that liner goes all the way up. So it's harder to get it to sit into your lash line if you're working with a thick liner. But I can see how if I just had that thin line of the magnetic liner on there, it would be very easy to pop these on. They seem to grab on to that liner pretty well. I'm gonna try and let you guys see how this works. So you just come in and set it on the eye, and it's just gonna grab on to that eyeliner. And you really want to push that down into your natural lash line as far as you can. And that's where I'm having the problem with the thicker liner, because it wants to move up my eye. Okay, so I've got the lashes on. That process didn't take very long. It probably took me 10 minutes, and most of it is just layering on that eyeliner, because you have to do 3 layers on each side and let it dry down. And then the only other issue I really had, which I said I think because I did this more dramatic winged eyeliner, and it does say in their pamphlet here that you can do all of these eyeliner looks and they're suitable for the eyelash. However, my problem with doing it thicker is that the lashes wanted to adhere up higher on the eyeliner, and it was hard to get them down into the base lash line. Once it magnetizes, in some instances when you try to lift it and replace it, it's gonna lift the glue off of your eyelid. Other than that, I think they applied really well. I think that if I try to wear them again, I will definitely only do a thin layer of the magnetic liner just towards the lash line, so that that's where they want to grab onto and that's where they go. Otherwise, they seem to wear really well. So I'm going to wear these for a little bit, and I will check in later with you guys and let you know what I think. Okay guys, it's been about 4 hours since I put on the Eylure Pro Magnetic Eyelash System, and I just wanted to check in with you guys. So when I was applying the lashes, when I first put them on and I had to adjust them, when I would pull them away from the eyeliner, in some areas it was lifting the eyeliner because it was attached to the magnet on the lash. And so it has now lifted in the corner of the eyes and just kind of lifted the liner off the eye, which I was afraid was going to happen. I think maybe if you could apply it before putting eyeshadow on and then maybe come back in over with your liner after you put eyeshadow on like a regular liner, then maybe having it adhere directly to the skin, it would adhere better. As far as the lashes themselves go, I think that they're a beautiful set of lashes. I like the way that they look on the eye. They're not too heavy. Obviously they're sitting weird on my eye right now, so they don't look as nice as they did when I first put them on. The eyeliner does feel heavy on your eyes because you do have to put 3 layers of that liner on there, and once you get the 3 layers on, it's pretty thick and you can feel it. I probably will try these out again and maybe try them a little bit differently. Overall, I think it's a pretty good system. They were pretty easy to apply. It says to remove them, you can just peel them away and then use makeup remover to remove the liner. So they do come off very easily, but you can see the spots. So that's what was happening, was that it was lifting the eyeliner, the magnetic eyeliner, off of my eye. And then I want to see how easy this liner is to remove. So I'm going to be using a Neutrogena makeup wipe. These ones are good, awesome. They're the Hydro Boost ones. If you guys haven't tried them yet, they're like super moisturizing. Oh heck, that just wipes right off. So easy removal, you guys. Like overall, the application and the removal of this product was pretty easy. You do have to be able to put on a liquid liner, which I don't think that I'm very skilled at. So if I could do it, most anybody I think could do it. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you have tried the Eylure Pro Magnetic Lash System, please let me know what you thought about it. If you have tried other magnetic lash systems that you've had success with, please let me know about them. I would love to try them out. I'm always looking for great new products, so please subscribe to my page below. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Kai Styles, and on Instagram at stylesby_Kyle. That's it for me tonight, you guys. Remember to be true to yourselves, be kind to one another, and most importantly, be beautiful. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one.